If you're looking to learn online, three names keep popping up: Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. But they're built for very different types of learners. Let's start with Udemy. With over 150,000 courses on everything from coding to cooking, Udemy is all about variety. You pay per course, usually between 10 and 20 bucks if you catch their constant discounts. And once you buy it, it's yours for life, including future updates. It's perfect for casual learners or anyone who wants to own a specific course without a subscription. But quality varies because almost anyone can publish, so check reviews because reviews are a must. Now let's move on to Coursera. This is the platform for serious structured learning. It partners with top universities and companies like Google and IBM to offer more than 7,000 courses and professional certificates and even full degrees. You can audit many classes for free, but if you want a certificate, it usually runs 29 to 99 bucks per course. Coursera Plus at 59 bucks a month or 400 bucks a year. Gives you unlimited access to most of their catalog. It's more formal, with quizzes, assignments, and real credentials that employers respect. But if you're not committed, that subscription can get pricey pretty fast. And then there's Skillshare, which takes a completely different approach. It's subscription-based, 19 bucks a month or 99 a year, and it's built for creatives. You get unlimited access to around 30,000 classes on design, photography, writing, business skills, and more. Instead of certificates, it's about hands-on projects and community feedback, making it ideal if you learn best by doing and want to keep improving multiple skills over time. The trade-off, it's not built for academic or career certifications. So how do they stack up? I'd say Udemy is the best if you just want to grab a course or two and learn at your own pace. Coursera is unbeatable if you need structured learning and recognized credentials, and Skillshare is for anyone who thrives on creativity and wants unlimited access to keep experimenting. Bottom line, it's not about which platform is best overall. It's about which one fits your learning style. So which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.